Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican tacos. First, let's prepare the delicious meat filling. Choose about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or pork for a flavorful base. Season it generously with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt. Brown the meat in a skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked, then drain any excess fat for a perfect texture. Now, let's get those tortillas ready and gather our vibrant toppings. Gently warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry pan for about 30 seconds on each side. This makes them pliable and delicious. For toppings, think fresh. Shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and finely chopped white onions are essential. Don't forget fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of cottage cheese, and a squeeze of lime for that authentic touch. With your meat cooked and toppings prepared, it's time for the fun part. Assembling your tacos, lay a warm tortilla flat on your plate. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the savory seasoned meat into the center. Then, layer your favorite fresh toppings evenly over the meat, ensuring a good balance of textures and flavors. Finish with a dollop of salsa or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Congratulations, you've made delicious homemade Mexican tacos. Serve them immediately while everything is warm and fresh. These tacos pair wonderfully with a refreshing glass of horchata or a cold Mexican lager. Encourage everyone to customize their tacos with the array of toppings you've prepared. Enjoy this flavorful and fun meal with your friends and family. It's a truly satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.